In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach System. Now click on Developer Options icon, and now find and select System Demo Mode. And here you can smoothly and easily enable it. Just mark the switcher, and that's it. From now on it is active. You can also make it visible as well if you want to. Just click here, and that's it. As you can see, even in status bar, you can see the change. Then whenever you would like to deactivate the demo mode, just unmark this first switcher, and that's it. It has been turned off. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.